Hi, we some humans. Thrilled you are watching. Inside this episode, we wanted to find the value of this expression. 5 divided by 1 over 6, then times 6. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 6 divided by 6, which equals 1. So here we have just 1. And 5 divided by 1 equals 5. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 5 divided by 1 over 6. To do this division, write down the 5 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 6 over 1, which gives 6. And here again we have times 6. 5 times 6 gives us 30. So 30 times 6, which equals 180. And so our final answer to this problem is just 180. Make sure to join the fun, like and subscribe.